Yes, so it's 11:35 in the morning. Sorry for this little computer glitch, and I think we are live now. And let's start today's show. Defending your deportation. I'm sorry. Defending your deportation, fighting your deportation, or how to come out of deportation is going to be today's topic. So, defending your deportation, fighting your deportation, or how to come out of deportation is going to be today's topic. Number one is that you all are aware that ICE raids have been happening all over the country. So how can you protect yourself? First thing first, if you get a knock on the door, always ask for a warrant. So once if the person, the official, has a warrant, then only you can allow him to enter your house. But on several occasions, I have noticed that ICE agents do not come with a warrant, and they try to even misrepresent you by saying that yes, we have a warrant. So you don't have to agree with them unless and until you can let them know that you would like to see the warrant. Look at the contents as to what is the scope of the warrant is very important. And not many lawyers know about that, especially immigration lawyers. So I also look at the scope of the warrant because that can also be challenged in court. And after that, if you're arrested, the best thing for you to do is not to talk to the ICE agent. Let them know that I need an attorney immediately. The Fifth Amendment to the Constitution allows you the right to remain silent. So there's no law that they can force you to talk. Once if you tell them that you need a lawyer, so the Sixth Amendment applies, under which you can continue to exercise your right to remain silent. Now, what happens if you are placed in removal proceedings? So first you'll be in jail, and you may be eligible for bond depending upon the facts and circumstances of your case. Now take an example, ICE comes to your door, you get picked up. What's the first thing they do? Now, they'll take you for fingerprinting, then they'll book you, and then they're going to send you to a detention center anywhere in the country. People who have asked me, Mr. Gehi, I live in New York, but why did they ship me to another state? Federal law allows them to do that. What should you do in such an instance? In this instance, immediately hire an attorney. So after the attorney is hired, the first thing the lawyer should do is get a very good grasp of the facts and circumstances of your case. So sorry, I'm getting a call and we're going to turn the call off. Yes, sorry for this, and I would request Kim to lower the volume on that call if possible, and bear with me for a moment. So we'll reduce the call and we'll continue the show. Yes, thank you, Kim. So now what happens is that you are in detention. What should the lawyer do? He needs to understand the entire facts and circumstances surrounding your case. And after that, it's critically important that he should prepare for bond. And after the bond motion is filed, you need to make sure that you have to make sure that you're not at risk of flight, and that except for this immigration blemish, you have no other blemish on your record. And based upon the facts and circumstances of your case, the judge may grant you bond. And after you come out on bond, people ask me that, Mr. Gehi, I just got this notice to appear sometimes, or I'm in detention. I've had clients, I've handled deportations for many, many years. And the question here is that, can a person who is in deportation proceeding qualify for a green card? The answer is yes, he may qualify for a green card. Now take an example, this person was picked up by ICE and he's in jail, and he came out and he's from, I would say from Trinidad or from Guyana or from Africa or from India or from Pakistan, from Bangladesh, from Albania, or from the Russia, or from Croatia or any country. The person comes out, so that person can still even get married. And yes, and if you marry a citizen, you have a chance of getting your green card. We've done that on many occasions, And also, there are many other ways of fighting these cases because, you may be from a country wherein exactly things are really bad. Or if you go back, there's a strong likelihood under Section 209 of the Immigration and Nationality Act that you will be persecuted because of your race, or because of your alienage, or because of your membership in a social group, or because of your political opinion, or because of your religious beliefs. So you can still apply for asylum. People ask me this question, Mr. Gehi, is it possible to apply for late asylum? Yes, of course. There's no kind of, I would say, like nothing can stop you from applying an asylum, but you will have to prove that why did you not apply within 1 year, and if you can prove the fact that the 1 year was beyond your control, then the judge has the discretion to waive that. So if you are in removal proceedings, which means if you are in deportation, or if you have received a notice, sometimes you get this notice in the mail that's known as an NTA, which means the notice to appear. And in that notice to appear, it's written that you are not a citizen of the United States, you are a national of ABC country, and you came to the US on a B2 visa, and your visa expired 6 months from the date in 2009, and you do not have current status in America. And the last thing is that under so-and-so section of the law, under 237 of the Act, you should be removed from the US. So that's a standard notice you get in the mail. And remember, one thing is critically important when you ever get that notice. It's known as notice to appear in removal proceedings. Do not miss the date. If you miss the date, that can be a big issue. But if you have missed a date, if you have missed that date, you can contact us and we'd be happy to help you. This is Attorney Naresh Gehi in connection with defending your deportation proceedings, defending your removal proceedings, and we'll be back again with some more information from the world of law. You can reach us at 718-764-6911 for a free initial personal consultation, or you can reach me at info@gehilaw.com. The instant program constitutes an attorney advertisement under the laws of the state of New York. We handle immigration cases from all over the United States and the world. We'll be back again with some more information from the world of law next Tuesday, same time, same place. And next week's program is a very important show on how can you qualify for a green card if you're constantly being subjected to abuse by your spouse. It's going to be about bad spouses.